Okay, we got our head here. And we got our eyes just about where we want them. I'm going to open it up just a little more. Those will fit right in here. And they do come out a little bit. That's what I needed. So we're going to take a little bit more out to the line, so they'll come through just a little more, and then the eyes will be done. It's the same size as this here. It's 1 inch. You can see that's just about what we want them, but we're going to sand this down just a little bit more, open it up just a hair more, and then we'll be done with the eyes. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. I think that's going to be enough for what we need here. So that's going to come out just where we want it. They'll sit in there good. So that will take care of that. And these eyes, they're acrylic. They're 1 inch in diameter there. So that's what we want for this character. So, if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section and I'll get back with you. The other thing we're going to do is we have this hook here, and we're going to put that in here in the top of the head. We'll do that now before we glue our neck pieces in, because it's a lot easier to put it in before you got these pieces of wood in here. Once you put those neck pieces in, then it's a little bit harder to reach in there and grab this. So you can see we got our hook in here. That's for our spring to attach to, which will go down and attach to the top of the mouth. So we'll be back. Thanks for watching.